Well, you all might be wondering, what am I doing in between these beautiful pieces of art? I'm in a Mumbai Police stall. This is a stall put up by the Mumbai Police in which they display their beautiful arts. In spite of having such a lot of burden and such a lot of work, they still take out the time to do the paintings and showcase their talents at this Mumbai Kala Ghoda festival. As you all can see, there are many other stalls put up. There's a photography stall, there's a creative stall, and others. Well, this is a 9-day long festival in which people come to showcase their talents and everyone comes here to see them. As you all can see, there's an aeroplane made out of wood. This is a concept aeroplane made by the students of Singapore. This symbolizes high aspirations and high hopes by every person. Every man has a different objective but which are high. And here, I can see another miniature auto rickshaw. The name of this auto rickshaw is Sapno Ki Savari. I mean, it really looks like one. Doesn't it? People come here, sit down in this auto rickshaw and pose and take click pics with their friends and family. This is Mumbai's one of the main lifelines in the suburban areas. And as you all can see, there's a beautiful piece of art where there are different kinds of horses painted and many other creatures. And here I can see a car. Well, what does this car symbolize? This car symbolizes something different. Well, success. Success. This car symbolizes success. And as you all can see, there's a laptop inside this which shows that people keep working. Let's ask the person in charge what does she have to say. Excuse me, what's your name?
Chandani.
Yeah, what does this car symbolize?
This car says that people nowadays don't have work or don't have time for their children's, neither for their family members. So I would spread the message that success is never a destination, it's a journey. You can't just work. There's other things also beyond work. So life moves on, please go ahead. You'll definitely get succeeded, you'll definitely become rich, but definitely give time to your kids, family members also. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Well, so this was the message, a wonderful message by this car. And I can see something else out here. Well, this is the cycle. A cycle which symbolizes the Dabbawalas of Mumbai. As you all can see, there are boxes hanging all over the place and there are Nutrela boxes also, which shows that these people day in and day out toil hard to give kids and other people their food. It's a wonderful art festival held for 9 days, where everyone from Mumbai, from India and from abroad also comes to see and see different arts and art forms. And I see something huge here. A huge bat with Sachin's photo on it. It's 15 feet high and 2 feet long. Let us ask the people clicking pics out here, how do they find this festival? What's your name?
My name is Akash Basantani and I'm from KC College. We are here just for the creativeness we heard from our friends. It's a great festival, must visit festival for all the kids, adults, everyone. I find it too creative, man. The cars over there are too must watch for everyone. So I hope that everyone visits over here.
Thank you, Akash. Alright, all this can be seen only at the Kala Ghoda festival. And here's a look at the name of the promoters, the Hindustan Times, at the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival. It has been promoting itself through the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival since a long time, since it has started. It's a 9-day long festival which goes on till 9 days, and people from various countries also come here to visit, not only from Mumbai or from India, from other countries also. And you all can see there's the Dream Weavers out here. It's as Mumbai is known as the city of dreams. People have portrayed it as a dream by putting up these Dream Weavers thing, and there's an increase in crowd continuously. It's 10 a.m. in the morning and still people are coming. It's a working day and people come here to visit every year. Continuous increase in the crowd from all age groups, all genders. It's so fascinating for everyone that they come here every time. And I can see another piece of art out here known as the Urbino. As the name rightly suggests, Urbino, it shows that the urban area is too polluted and they want a cleaner and a greener effect to it. So people have supported it using bamboos, using their own hand marks, and made it a creative thing by using the natural things which are available. And on my left, I can see a complete map of the city Mumbai, which is really beautiful. They have shown the different railway stations and how the city can be even more beautiful by making it more cleaner and greener. It is a very good initiative taken up by the people to portray Mumbai as a cleaner and a greener place. And I can see continuous increase in the crowds right now. It's 10 in the morning, but still people are coming. And I see a chair where it's written, "Money is the root of all evil." It's a political chair where there's money put in, there's jewelry put in. It shows us the current political scenario. As you all can see, the name rightly suggests kya popat banaya. It just shows how they are fooling the public. And there are many things to see. And here is another wonderful thing. This is a wonderful piece of art. It is a wonderful painting made by the people with different syndromes, just to show that they are special. They are nothing different than the normal people. They should be treated equally. It's a very good form of art. Everyone should be treated equally. And I move on, and I can still see a lot of things. There's the post box. I see the post box. It portrays three different things. Mumbai, which is shown by the painting of Dharavi, which is definitely a part of Mumbai. It is a slum, one of the largest slums. Bollywood. It is another fascinating thing for all the Mumbaikars and for all Indians. It is an integral part of everyone in India. And there's a Dabbawala. They show how important the Dabbawalas are and how difficult it is their job to reach food to everyone on time. And I keep moving, and here's another wonderful piece of art which is not been put up completely, but its name is Way View, which will be put up very shortly. People posing, clicking pics. And here are a few another stalls. There's Anoop's, there's Aishna, there's Wear Your Opinion, which looks very interesting, a stall where you can wear your opinions. Vande Mataram, there's Babaji Ka Thullu, which is on Kapil's show, very famous. And the crowd is there. Okay. So as you all can see, people from all age groups and from everywhere come here to visit the Kala Ghoda festival every year. The 9-day long festival manages to entertain the audience. With cameraman Vivek, Mickey Kutar, MRSC, Mumbai.